Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the world of marine engineering, the purity of fuel and lubricating oil is the difference between a smooth voyage and a total engine failure. To achieve this purity, we rely on a fundamental principle of physics known as Stokes Law, which explains the behavior of particles settling in a fluid. Imagine a tiny droplet of water or a speck of dirt suspended in a heavy fuel oil. Under the natural force of gravity, that particle will slowly sink to the bottom of a tank, but the process is far too slow for the demands of a high-performance ship engine. Stokes' Law gives us the mathematical foundation to understand how we can speed this up. The law states that the settling velocity of a particle is determined by the square of its diameter, the difference in density between the particle and the fluid, and the acceleration due to gravity, all divided by the viscosity of the fluid. This means that if we want a particle to separate faster, we have several levers we can pull. We can increase the size of the particle, which is difficult, or we can reduce the viscosity of the oil by heating it up. However, the most effective way to accelerate separation is by manipulating the acceleration component. In a static tank, we are limited by the Earth's gravity, but by introducing centrifugal force, we can multiply that acceleration thousands of times. This is the secret behind the centrifugal separator or purifier. Inside the purifier, a bowl spins at incredibly high speeds, creating a centrifugal force that acts as an artificial gravity. When the dirty oil enters this spinning environment, the heavier particles like water and sludge are thrown outward toward the periphery of the bowl, while the lighter, clean oil remains closer to the center. By applying Stokes' Law, we see that the centrifugal force replaces the standard gravitational constant, allowing for almost instantaneous separation. The design of the purifier bowl includes a stack of conical discs, which serves to reduce the distance a particle has to travel before it is captured. This effectively increases the settling area and makes the system even more efficient. Temperature control is also vital because, as we know from the law, lower viscosity leads to faster settling. This is why fuel is always heated to a specific temperature before it enters the separator. By balancing the speed of rotation, the flow rate of the oil, and the temperature of the fluid, marine engineers ensure that even the smallest contaminants are removed before they reach the fuel injectors. Without the application of Stokes' Law through centrifugal separation, modern heavy fuel oils would be impossible to use safely. This combination of classical physics and mechanical engineering creates a shield that protects the engine from wear and corrosion. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.